Hey friends, I feel really good about sharing recipes with you that make me feel good, and for me the best way to have my coffee in the morning is to have vegan baked oats. It's a warming breakfast for cold mornings and it's so easy to make. Add a drizzle of agave syrup on top to make it taste like a sweet treat. So let's get started with the recipe. You need to add oats to a blender. Add the baking powder, cinnamon, add 1 sliced banana, a cup of any plant-based milk, and blend it all up for 30 seconds. Add it to a small baking dish or even a small coffee cup. Add berries and chopped almonds on top. And pop that in the oven. And voila, there it is. You can enjoy this straight away for breakfast or as a dessert. So I hope you enjoyed this video for vegan baked oats that are so easy to make. If you want to see more recipes, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.